Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As promised, today I am introducing a powerful and fully functional employee management system with leave management built entirely using Google App Script and Google Sheet. This system is 100% free and can be a game changer for small organizations, school coaching center, and even offices looking for a lightweight HR solution without paying for expensive software. This is the version on of the application. Lots of features are on the way in future updates. Let's now dive into the features of this system and how it's work. The key features of employee management system: login system with email and password. Each user must log in using their registered email ID and password, ensuring secure access. Forget password and reset via email. If a user forgets their password, they can request a reset link, which is sent directly to the registered email. Interactive dashboard, role-based reporting. Each employee is assigned a reporting officer. For example, IT employee report to the IT manager. Finance employee will report to the finance manager. Department and role mapping, organized by role like HR staff, IT staff, finance staff, and department like administration, finance, etc. Leave management system. Employee can apply for leave, which is then sent to their reporting officer for approval or rejection. Permission control. Super admin can assign role-based access, define what each role can view, add, edit, or delete, control access to a specific page. For example, IT employee can access only IT page, HR employee can access only the HR page. Now let's see the demo. This is the login page. Employee will enter through their email ID and password. The employee forget their password, then he can click on the forgot password to reset the password. So for now, I am just logging with this email ID and password. So if it is matched, it will open the dashboard. Since this user is a super admin user, all the menu has been shown here. In the dashboard, we can see that the total employee, pending leave request, team, your leave, and recent leave request. So now let's go to the user management page and see all the user has been displayed over here, and the admin, super admin has the access to view, edit, and delete each user like this. If you want to edit, we can click on the edit icon and click on save. And if you want to delete, we can click on the delete icon. Now, if you want to add a new user, then we click on the add employee and just we'll fill the form over here. So let's enter the demo data. Now here we can select the role. So let's this employee will assign it to HR staff and department to administration. And now this employee will report to the HR manager. Then active, then save. So see, this. Now an email has been sent to this email ID. So let's see the email. See, this is the email. And if we click on this link, it will open a page where the user will create the new password. Let's enter the password and also enter the re-enter password and then save. See, and the password will be saved to the Google Sheet. So let's see the Google Sheets. So this is the sheet, and see, this is the password sheet. So the password has been saved in an encrypted form so that the password is not visible to anyone, even the super admin. Now let's see the permission setting. So we will go to the HR staff role, and now you can see that the HR staff has the permission to the HR page, leave, dashboard and user. So let's log out from this super admin and let's log in with the newly created user. See, this user has only the access to the HR page, and all the other page was not shown over here. So if you go to the user management page, there will be no option to add the user as we see in the super admin user, and this user cannot edit or delete any of the user. This user can only view the user details over here. So now if this user want to update the image and other details, then this user can go to this and then click on the my profile, and over here if we click on the profile image, it will open the form where we can select the image. Let's select the image. It shows image has been updated successfully, and see, image also has been updated successfully in the web page, and we can also change the details such that address, phone number over here, and then we can click on the save button over here. And now if you want to change the password for this user, we can click on the change password over here, and we can enter the current password and then new password and confirm password. Then we can click on the change password. It will change the password for this user. Now let's go to the leave management page, and here if this user want to apply for a leave, you have to click on the apply for a leave button over here, and then select the leave type and then the date, range, and then the reason. If we click on the submit, it will submit the leave. And if we go to the HR manager page, HR manager user, so this one is the HR manager user. We can see that there is one pending leave request. So if we go to the leave management page, here we can see that the leave has been shown in the HR manager for the approval. So to approve, click on the review and then enter the comment, then approve. You can also reject the leave. So if the leave has been approved, then in the Ronnie Rahman user, if you refresh, here we can see that the status is approved and your leave is 1. Now let's log in through another user. Let be it IT user. If we log in to IT user, see the IT user has no access to any menus. So to give the access authorization for this IT user, for that we have to go to the admin, super admin user, and then we have to go to the permission setting, and there we have to select the IT staff and see no authorization has been given to the IT staff. So for that, to give the authorization, we'll click the checkbox for dashboard. We want to give the access to can view, and for the user we will give the access to view, and for leave we will give access to view, can edit, can add, can delete. And for IT page, we want to give the access to can view, can add, can edit, and can delete, and then save. Now the permissions updated successfully. Now if we go to this user, IT user, and if we log in with this IT user, now see the menu has been appeared. The IT page menu has been appeared over here. So let's see how you can download this project and use for your own purpose. For this, go to the YouTube description page, and then there you will find the project link. Click on that link. It will open the page. Go to the enter code to copy the sheet, and there put this code 2025040501 and then submit. It will take some time to generate the link, and then click on the go to projects. It will open this page where you have to make a copy of this project. So click on the button make a copy. It will create a copy of this sheet, which is content the user sheet, department, role, permission, menu, and leave request. So for the code, go to the extension and then app script, and this is the code. So and here to run this application, go to the deploy button, and then here new deployment, give any name, select web app, and here who has access to anyone, then deploy. Now click on authorized access, select the email ID, and then go to advanced, go to copy EMS, allow all the permission that it's required. Just now copy the URL, and if we paste over the browser, boom, your application is ready. So now if anyone wants to add a new page like this, IT page, HR page, accounts page, so for that we have to add the name, we have to add the menu ID over here, and then name, and then icon, and then URL, and then order. Suppose we want to add a page account, and then let the name of the menu will be account, and then let the icon will be this, and URL will be account, and then display order is 9. And another thing we have to do is that we have to create this account page. For that, what we have to do, we have to go to this js main.html. Actually, this is the main file. So here we have to create a new case over here with account, that is this menu ID, account, and then the function. So let's call it load account, and then we have to write the function to show the details. For example, for the dashboard function, this is the dashboard function where this code has been written. So this is the responsible code to display the dashboard details over here. So in the similar way, if you want to add the new page, we'll first add into this menu, and then we'll update this file in switch case with the function, and then we'll write the HTML code and JS code in that function. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, comment and share, so that it encourages me to create such type of video for you guys. So now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.